makirekereria ndumiriri yao kuri nyumba cia mohoro wabici-ini cia mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka. Atongoria aya a mung'ethaniro ni mehitite kuhanda cira igoti-ini wa kurugamia wendia wa share cia Safaricom gicunji kia 15 hari igana kuri kambuni ya Vodacom, undu uria uhete kambuni ino gicunji kia 55 hari igana gia share cia Safaricom, makiuga o ni mugaru na watho.
We respect the courts, of course, some of us are officers of the courts, but Kenyans are entitled to ask if a matter is still pending before the High Court, and if the asset in dispute can be transferred before the hearing, what protection does constitutional litigation truly offer the ordinary citizen?
Where was or is the competition authority? What are they doing? We need to hear them. We need to hear their voice on a matter as serious as this.
Atongoria aya ni mahete mukana kambuni ino ya Vodacom makimoria magie na uigiririki ndeto ino ndikana magaruruke.
Vodacom, buyer beware. There are other international mechanisms of settling disputes relating to investments in transnational or international investment disputes.
The Court of Appeal did not declare this transaction lawful. It did not determine whether Kenyans were properly consulted. It did not determine whether Safaricom was fairly valued.
Nimekirire ngaja gitumi gia gutafania mihengo ino na ihenya thengia wa igoti kuheana ciumia igiri irikarikirira tariki 17 mweri wa 8 mwaka uyu.
That petition has already been heard and the High Court is expected to pronounce itself within the next 2 weeks. So one would wonder why rush the conclusion of the cell when in 2 weeks the High Court will be issuing their ruling. It is therefore deeply troubling.
So we are telling William Ruto today on the Safaricom matter, we await the ruling of the High Court, which will be delivered on 17th of August 2026. And after that ruling is given, we are going to take that matter all the way up to the Supreme Court and to the general election of 2027.
Maugite kuri na andu kiumbe marehithania niguo kugunika o kiumbe na mutaratara uyu wa wendia wa share ici cia Safaricom. Andu-ini ha Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Ikua wa Boshi.